The biggest thing that's going to improve, especially when we're talking about marketing content, is the ability and willingness to iterate and ideate with AI and then fine tune and broaden with human interaction. So if someone just goes into GPT and tells it, write me a blog post about these 4 things, even if you get it all of the data in prompts that it needs to know, it's still not going to be as good, and it's not going to be as optimized. And given all of things that we know about how Google and other searches are ranking things right now, it's going to be devalued if I have too much AI generated content in it. And so you're going to rank better by having human interaction. You're going to feel more organic and human if you have more human interaction and finalization. And you always need to guard against hallucinations and bias and all of the things that are just built into AI. There's a real danger of having the AI generated content become part of the tools and the content and the context that it's pulling from and turning that into an echo chamber. And so it can devolve pretty quickly. So I think you need human interaction or oversight in order to have truly effective AI generated content.